Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI 3. In this video I'll show you how to pair fob with the device. In the beginning, let's go to NUKI app and go to settings. Enter fob, connect fob, press and hold the power button on the fob for at least 10 seconds. Wait until firmware update is finished. Tap done. Again hold down the button. Tap next. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.